If you've been hunting for the best espresso machines but feel lost in endless lists and sales pitches, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the 5 best espresso makers for beginners and pros, covering everything from budget-friendly options to reliable machines for aspiring home baristas. All references and links are in the description for you to browse. In 5th place, we have the Sowtech Espresso Cappuccino coffee maker. This compact little machine is an outlier in the entry-level espresso world because it doesn't use a pump. It's actually steam-powered, similar to how espresso was made back in the earliest days. That means it produces a short, strong coffee that resembles stovetop espresso rather than the creamy cafe shots you might be used to. Its strengths are clear. It's extremely budget-friendly, it comes with a built-in milk frother, and its size makes it perfect for small kitchens or dorm rooms. This makes it ideal for someone who just wants a simple way to make stronger coffee drinks at home without spending a fortune. But keep in mind, it doesn't create the crema or depth that pump-driven espresso machines deliver. If you're already accustomed to true espresso, you might find this machine underwhelming. Still, for beginners who want a low-cost way to experiment with lattes and cappuccinos, the Sowtech is a fun and practical starting point. Coming in at number 4 is the DeLonghi Stilosa espresso machine. This is often seen as the cheapest pump-driven machine worth buying if you're serious about home espresso. It features a 15-bar pump, but in practice it runs at higher pressure than the 9-bar standard used in cafes. That's fine for beginners since it's paired with a pressurized basket, making it easier to pull a drinkable shot without perfect grinding skills. The Stilosa is clearly made for casual users who want something that looks and feels like espresso without needing professional technique. The Panarello steam wand makes frothing milk simple and even allows you to slide off the sheath for more control. On the flip side, it doesn't include an overpressure valve to stabilize pressure, which makes dialing in grind size harder if you decide to upgrade your skills. If you're someone who just wants a quick cappuccino at home and doesn't plan on obsessing over grind ratios, this is a great affordable pick. At number 3, you'll find the Philips 1200 series automatic espresso machine. This model is designed to be as beginner-friendly as possible, offering a sleek look and a very straightforward interface. What sets it apart is the 61-ounce water tank, which is one of the largest in its category, perfect for households with multiple coffee drinkers who don't want to refill constantly. It also gives you 12 grind settings and 3 brew temperatures, which is impressive flexibility for a machine in this range. It even has an adjustable brew spout to fit different cup sizes. For someone who values convenience and wants to get into espresso without learning the fine details of tamping and pressure, this is a great option. The main drawbacks are its somewhat noisy operation and the plastic-heavy build, which doesn't feel as premium as higher-end models. Still, the customization and ease of use make this an excellent machine for beginners who want control without complication. Taking the second spot is the Philips 4400 series Latte Go Super Automatic Espresso machine. This machine builds on the strengths of the 3300 series with added features, including more drink options like latte macchiato and an iced coffee function. The Latte Go milk system is the standout feature. It's tube-free, very easy to clean, and froths milk quickly for cappuccinos and lattes. With a generous 61-ounce tank, 12 grind levels, and a compact design, it's built for busy households that want one-touch drinks without hassle. The iced coffee option is a bit of a gimmick. It just pulls a longer, cooler shot over ice rather than making a true cold brew, but it doesn't take away from the machine's overall value. If you're looking for convenience and variety, especially for milk-based drinks, the Philips 4400 is a strong choice. Just don't expect cafe-level complexity. This is about speed, consistency, and simplicity. And finally, at number 1, we have the Breville Duo Temp Pro. Unlike some of the automatic machines on this list, this model is aimed at beginners who want to build real barista skills at home. It focuses on fundamentals, offering pre-infusion, stable 200-degree Fahrenheit brewing, and a 9-bar overpressure valve for consistent extraction. It's slightly larger than ultra-compact models, which actually gives it more stability when locking in the portafilter, and it includes thoughtful touches like a metal tamper, storage for accessories, and a proper steam wand for frothing milk. The Duo Temp Pro doesn't rely heavily on electronics, which makes it more durable and easier to maintain long-term. While it does take a bit longer to heat up compared with newer thermojet machines, the trade-off is reliability and better control. This machine is for beginners who are serious about learning espresso and want a dependable foundation to grow with. If you're looking to step into home barista territory, the Duo Temp Pro is the one to beat. To recap, we looked at 5 excellent espresso machines that cover a wide range of needs: the budget-friendly Sowtech, the practical DeLonghi Stilosa, the user-friendly Philips 1200, the versatile Philips 4400 Latte Go, and the barista-ready Breville Duo Temp Pro. Whether you're just dipping your toes into espresso or aiming to refine your skills, there's something here for every level. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more coffee gear reviews. You'll find all the links and details about these machines waiting for you in the description below.